Welcome to my review of Dotdigital. In today's video, I'll be taking you through my honest experience with Dotdigital, one of the top SaaS platforms in the world of email marketing and automation. If you're looking to streamline your customer engagement strategies and automate your email campaigns, Dotdigital could be an ideal choice. Upon first glance, the platform offers a clean, intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate even for beginners. Setting up an account is quick, and within a few minutes, you can start creating your first email campaigns. One of the standout features of Dotdigital is its powerful automation tools, which allow you to set up workflows and triggers based on customer behavior. This makes it perfect for businesses looking to nurture leads and increase conversions through targeted, personalized communication. The drag-and-drop email editor is straightforward, enabling users to design professional-looking emails without needing to know any code. It also integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and other third-party tools, enhancing its versatility. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large-scale marketing operation, Dotdigital can be tailored to your needs. One area where Dotdigital really shines is in its reporting and analytics capabilities. The platform provides in-depth insights into campaign performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and detailed user activity. These metrics help you refine your strategies and optimize your campaigns for better results. Additionally, the segmentation feature allows you to target specific audience groups with personalized content, improving the effectiveness of your emails. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so be sure to check them out after watching. You'll find a collection of resources that can enhance your knowledge and help you explore even more tools for your marketing journey. However, no tool is without its drawbacks. For instance, while Dotdigital provides a lot of customization options, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're new to email marketing platforms. It can take some time to familiarize yourself with the full range of features, and some users may find the platform's pricing structure to be on the higher end, especially for smaller businesses. Overall, Dotdigital is a powerful and comprehensive email marketing solution. Its automation features, integrations, and analytics make it a solid choice for businesses looking to enhance their marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, Dotdigital offers the tools you need to succeed. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on the best marketing tools out there.